Is AI like the steam engine? We've had massive technological changes before, things like the steam engine, railroads, electricity, the invention of computers, and the internet. And each time humanity has changed, adapted, and the jobs that have been disruptive have come back. Now, this is an argument that I've been getting on my lives quite a lot, where I will say AI is different. You really need to be ready for this. It's very important that you learn about these technologies and you take advantage. And I get pushback from people saying, well, yes, but other technologies took jobs in the past and we made new jobs. So yes, the people who rode horse carriages, they were out of their jobs, but then we created new transportation using cars and we had drivers that replaced the original carriage drivers. Absolutely, I agree. Each technological change we've had has both destroyed and created jobs. It's both destroyed and created industries. What we're seeing with AI, though, is, well, different in two different ways. I have a chart behind me which shows me the estimated economic impact of general purpose technologies. It comes from ARK Investment Management, and this came out last year, data of December 2023. So, first thing I want you to notice is the size of the impact of AI. Now, this is obviously speculative, but there's some smart people who've worked this out. If you look at the chart here at the size of AI, it is bigger than PCs, it's bigger than the internet, it is potentially bigger than integrated circuits, the things that give us computers entirely. It is a massive shift in how we do business, in how we live our lives, and how the world is going to be looking. That's why very smart people like Noah Yuval Harari, who wrote Sapiens, are saying that this is the first time in human history that we do not know what 20 years in the future is going to look like. Previously, we'd always kind of had a vague idea. We knew where things were going and we could look forward and have, with some sense of certainty, an idea of where we would be in 2 decades. That is no longer the case. So for the first reason that I push back at these arguments is that AI is just a massive step change in how we do business and how we live our lives. It could be bigger than the internet, and you know how large an impact the internet has had on your life already. The second is that this is the first technology that can improve itself. So something like the car came along and it took over from horse-drawn carriages, but the car itself did not improve. It required us, humans, to improve it. And we did. We made it get better over the couple of hundred years that it's been around. AI, on the other hand, has self-improving mechanisms inside it. So it's much closer to, let's say, an organism or a system that can improve itself. And AI can start to learn and to better understand the world. And as we improve our AIs, as we move towards artificial general intelligence, it's only going to get better at doing so. This is the first time we've had a technology that uses something like machine learning in order to increase its ability and its capabilities. We have not seen that in human history, and that's why it is inherently different to all that we've seen before. So we have graphs like this. This might be a complete joke in 5 years' time, 10 years' time. We might look at this and think, look how quaint it is that they thought AI was only going to have this much impact, and now look where we are, because the truth is we do not know.